Hello guys and good evening. This is another video on the limiting and excess reagent, which will help you guys to understand what it is and how to calculate it. A limiting reagent is a species that is completely used up during a chemical reaction. It determines the amount of product formed. On the other hand, the reagent that is not completely used up during a chemical reaction is known as the excess reagent. I think this will be well understood when we deal with some examples. Number one, suppose 25 grams of nitrogen and 5 grams of hydrogen are made to react to form ammonia. Which reactant is the limiting reagent? Find the amount of product formed. Let's look at the solution. This is the chemical reaction equation, which shows how ammonia and hydrogen react to form nitrogen and hydrogen react to form ammonia. 1 mole of nitrogen is needed to react with 3 moles of hydrogen to form 2 moles of ammonia, and this type of equation is usually favored by an increase in pressure. When you watch the video on rates of reactions, you'll be able to understand what I mean by is favored by an increase in pressure, and the video is still to come up. 28 grams of nitrogen react with 6 grams of hydrogen. Therefore 25 grams of nitrogen will give us X from the equation, whereby X will be 25 times 6 divided by 28, which is 5.36 grams. Since we have 5 grams of hydrogen and we require 5.6 grams of hydrogen, hence it is the limiting reagent. It is the limiting reagent because we have 5 grams and that 5 grams is completely used up, but we require something greater than what we have, hence it is the limiting reagent. From the definition, it says it is the reagent that is completely used up, and the 5 grams will be completely used up. To find the excess reagent, use the same method. That is, 28 grams of nitrogen gives us 6 grams of hydrogen. Therefore 5 grams of hydrogen will give us X, whereby X will be equals to 28 times 5 divided by 6, which is 23.3 grams. Nitrogen is the excess reagent because we require 23.3 grams, but we have 25 grams. Hence it is in excess because what we have has not been completely used up. So this goes correctly and aligned with our definition. B said we should find the amount of product formed. Since hydrogen is the limiting reagent, hence it will determine the amount of product formed. So we are going to use hydrogen to calculate the product formed. 6 grams of hydrogen will give us 34 grams of ammonia. Then 5 grams of hydrogen will give us X, and X is equivalent to 28.3 grams of ammonia which are formed. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like the video so that you can be able to get more. Thanks.